Hi, I'm Jules Von Hep, celebrity tanning expert and founder of the Isle of Paradise. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to contour your face and body using self-tan, or in the tanning industry, this is known as Tontouring. Step 1. You will need a beauty blender and a bottle of your chosen Isle of Paradise tanning mousse. Step 2. Pump your mousse out onto a surface and dip the beauty blender in. Now what you need to do here is look at your body and look at which parts are indented. So, underneath your cheekbones, your outer nose, the outer brow, your jawline, your décolletage, your outer torso, in between your thighs, underneath your calf muscle, underneath your buttocks, and your inner bicep. Step 3. Apply the tanning mousse to these areas. Believe me here, babe, less is more. You want to add the most tan to the center of the areas, flip the beauty blender around, and then buff the outer areas to blend the tan. You want this look to look natural. Step 4. Allow the tan to develop for 4 to 6 hours before showering. Step 5. Moisturise your body, admire your contouring, flick your hair, put mascara on, and go out there and enjoy your life, babe. Babes, I hope you've loved this video. Go forth and be your most defined tan yet. I believe in you. Bye!